how much should you actually spend on a robot vacuum? Some people are thrilled with their budget buys, while others are underwhelmed by pricey models. Spoiler alert, price doesn't always equal quality, and I'm here to break down the best options for you.
Product number 1, ROP Vacnic S1. The ROP Vacnic S1 caught my eye with its low price of $109.99 and its promise of powerful cleaning. If you want a robot vacuum that can mop and vacuum with ease, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This robot has a powerful 5,200 Pascal suction, which means it can pick up dirt and pet hair effectively across hardwood and low-pile carpets. Plus, it features intelligent auto-docking and obstacle avoidance, ensuring it can navigate your home without getting stuck. With the app and voice control options, you can start cleaning anytime, all while putting your feet up. Now, some people complained about the need for frequent emptying due to its smaller dustbin size. Here's the thing though, if you're diligent about maintenance, this isn't a deal breaker. It's a small trade-off for a vacuum that performs well, especially for pet owners. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, versatile robot vacuum that handles both mopping and vacuuming. Skip this one if you have larger homes and need a vacuum that can handle extensive cleaning without frequent emptying. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if that smaller dustbin bothered you,
Product number 2, Shark AV2501S AI Ultra. The Shark AV2501S AI Ultra comes in at a higher price point of $467, but it promises a lot with its self-emptying base and advanced navigation. If you want a smart vacuum that handles everything, this is definitely worth a serious look. This model features Matrix Clean navigation, which maps your home to ensure it doesn't miss a spot while cleaning. With a powerful suction that captures even the toughest debris, including pet hair, up to 30 days of dirt is stored in its self-emptying base. HEPA filtration traps 99.97% of allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. This high-tech vacuum adapts to changes in your home, cleaning effectively whether it's day or night. However, some users did point out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a powerful cleaning solution that takes care of itself, the noise might be a small price to pay for the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a vacuum that can manage pet hair and allergens effectively. Skip this one if you're looking for something quieter or more budget-friendly. For the advanced features, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want a strong performer at a lower price.
Product number 3, TCOM G8000 Max. Next, we have the TCOM G8000 Max, priced at just $113.99. This caught my attention with its solid specs for a budget model. If you want a reliable vacuum without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. With 5,000 Pascal suction power, it effectively picks up dust and pet hair and is designed to vacuum and mop simultaneously. The 450 milliliter dustbin and 300 milliliter water tank combo means you can tackle both tasks in one go, cutting cleaning time in half. The innovative design allows it to navigate and clean under furniture, while anti-collision and anti-fall features keep it safe from damage. One downside noted by some users is that the app can be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the convenience and efficiency it offers outweigh the occasional tech hiccup.
Product number 4, Shark AV2511AE.
Next up is another Shark model, the AV2511AE, priced at $418. This one promises powerful suction and advanced navigation features. If you need a reliable vacuum specifically built for pet owners, this is a strong contender. Its Matrix Clean technology ensures that it covers every inch of your floors with multiple passes, while its self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt. With precision home mapping and LiDAR navigation, it adapts to your space, avoiding obstacles effectively in real time, even in low light. Plus, it has a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap, making it a breeze to maintain. However, a few users felt it struggled a bit on high-pile carpets. Here's the thing, if you primarily have hard floors or low-pile carpet, this vacuum excels in those environments. This is perfect for you if you have a medium to large home with pets and need a vacuum that can handle continuous cleaning. Skip this one if your home has many high-pile carpets. Given its performance, it's definitely worth the investment. All right, that was an impressive option. But if you're looking for a more compact model, this next one might be just what you need.
Product number 5, LaFont M210 Pro. Lastly, we have the LaFont M210 Pro at an incredibly affordable price of $89.99. This compact vacuum caught my eye for its ability to navigate tight spaces. If you want something small but effective, this is worth considering. With 2200 Pascal suction, it's designed for hard floors and low-pile carpets. The compact design allows it to fit under furniture and clean those hard-to-reach areas. It also has 6 cleaning modes, giving you flexibility depending on your cleaning needs, plus smart app and voice control for easy operation. The quieter operation is a bonus for those sensitive to noise. One honest drawback is that the battery life is relatively shorter, at around 120 minutes. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in smaller spaces or for quick cleanups, this should suffice without any issues. This is perfect for you if you need a compact and budget-friendly vacuum for daily maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for long battery life or heavy-duty cleaning. For the cost, it's an excellent little helper.
So, to wrap it all up, we've got the versatile Rob Vacnick S1 for budget-conscious folks, the high-tech Shark AV2501S for pet owners, the TCOM G8000 Max for those wanting value, the Shark AV2511AE for serious cleaning, and the compact Leafant M210 Pro for tight spaces. Each brings something unique to the table, so you can't go wrong with any of these choices.